there, it's springtime and we're helping our sellers get ready to list their homes for the year. And I thought I'd share the things that we're doing most frequently. First of all is pressure washing the home and the decks. That goes without saying. It's good for the house and it makes it look so much better. The roof, you'll want to clean that every once in a while to get rid of mildew and moss that grows under the shingles, as well as check flashing and the boots around the plumbing. Gutters need to be cleaned, and I'm seeing lots of houses where the gutters haven't been cleaned in years. Problems with gutters is one of the #1 causes for problems with our foundations with water intrusion. The landscaping, you do want to trim your bushes back and make sure nothing is touching the house, and make a plan for replacing your bushes over time. The trim around the windows, we're seeing outside windowsills that have rotted and water can get in and damage the framing. And the last thing is having your HVAC checked every year or two. And that goes a long way when people are looking at your home and you can say that it's being evaluated regularly. Hope that helps. Thanks.